way off. See, I know we got them here. Oh yeah, right here. I'm watching a piece of light. It's going black and going light again. Right through there. Back there behind this tree, I'll bet you. Can't tell how far it is. You can see a long way through this tree.
It was over there.
Can you see him?
But it was a...
That yip?
Yep. It was a dog. The dog was working behind.
Now we got some coyotes back here.
Coyotes never did scare me too much. Even a pack of coyotes I don't think is dangerous as what people think they are.
That's what we got is a big old pack.
You hear that?
Yeah.
That was a howl.
Yep, another one.
That was a loud, long one. So
Here, I was talking to it. Let's be quiet. Moving behind you again. Behind you. Right through that patch of tree somewhere. Come back to you further behind you. Further. Right in there. Whatever it is, it's back there. But I'm hearing some over there too. Hearing that moving around? That was a big movement right there, whatever it was. It's gotta be like 8:45 or something. You ready to go back?
Yeah, I gotta get back to my mom.
So we can find our way back. Oh, watch out. Go the other way. Back here. Don't leave me now. I don't want to be out there by myself. I don't think they'd hurt me or nothing, but they should keep me scared all night. we move fast, we might get up there before he can move out the way. Tapping on the tent side. Oh, hold on. Sucks, donkey balls. Sound clear through this little valley here too. Yeah. Look, I mean, look at this. Right in between them two trees. There's always teepees. Looks like they pulled them over this way, don't it?
Yeah.
You know what the killer part is? Whatever's doing those trails, we're walking through it without a whole lot of trouble. But that's the first time one ever come up to me and oohed like that when he was on the porch.
Yeah.
But look at this, look. That tree hanging all the way down like that with green growing out of it. That wasn't from the ice storm. I don't reckon it was. I've noticed a lot of the formations in the trees here. On the lower parts, the trees will have a sudden hook in it one way or the other. I think it's from them swinging on them, because I can swear I seen one swinging in the tree off in the distance. Huh. See, I need somebody to do this with me.
If I could get out and do it the other day, I would. I'm going to be down tonight.
No, I believe you. I hate that, but you got a new experience behind you.
Have fun.
Make a believer out of it?
Yeah, there's something behind there,
There's
dude.
something there. And it's the same calls you hear on that show.
Yeah. I don't know what the heck it is.
It's got a scary call.
Friday or it's...
I call it. That's when they get hooked up in their friends. All the dogs go whoop, 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 whoop. But it's more of a monkey sound to me than the dog. But Dad thinks it's a dog. But then they'll alternate too. I don't know if you watch the show, you know the but it'll bark like that, like a owl. I think he's in between us and that power line.